Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the easy steps to enable AI mode on the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge to load incompatible websites, such as those intranet sites on your organization or websites that are still using all web technology. You can enable AI mode in more than one way. In this video we're going to use the built-in settings available in the browser. It is also recommended to use the group policy settings. You can check the video description to find a link to the instruction on how to complete this task. Okay, to set up AI mode on Microsoft Edge, use these steps. Open Microsoft Edge and then open the settings page. In here, click on Default Browser. And on this page, you're going to find the Internet Explorer compatibility section, which includes the settings to enable and disable AI mode. This option will control how Microsoft Edge will handle websites that you load on Internet Explorer. So for example, right now it's set to never, but if we set it to always, when you open Internet Explorer, that will automatically redirect any website that you open to the Edge browser and it will close Internet Explorer. If you set it to never, when you open Internet Explorer, you will still be able to use the all browser. So usually you just want to use the incompatible sites only. So if users have to use Internet Explorer, they will continue to do so. And when they encounter a website that is not compatible with that older browser, it will automatically switch and open Microsoft Edge instead. And then if you want to enable AI mode on Microsoft Edge, you need to turn on this option. Once you do that, click the restart button. So just to give you an example, just going to open a website, and as you can see now it's loading normally, but if you wanted to load this particular page on AI mode, open the settings menu and then on more tools, select the reload in Internet Explorer mode option. And as you can see, now we're loading the website using AI mode. And you can tell because we have the Internet Explorer mode icon that will tell you that this website is using that feature to load the site. To reload the site using the Microsoft Edge engine, just click the leave button. Or you can also go back to the settings and select the exit Internet Explorer mode option. And that's how you configure AI mode on the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.